Jai Shri Gurudev. So today onward we will discuss the CET concepts. Okay, CET madamre. So inverse trigonometry functions start ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So CET JEE mains related questions. Okay, inverse trigonometry functions. This is the first question. See, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so one formula is there. Sin inverse of minus x is equals to what? Minus sin inverse x. Is there no minus sin inverse x? According to like, so minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 very good. Okay na? So sin inverse 1 by 2. The sin value, what is the sin value? Sin 30. 0, 30 degrees. 1 by 2 no. Sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore we can directly write is equals to minus is there minus 5 by 30 degrees. 30 degrees now 1 by 2 will be 30 degrees 5 by 6. So which option is like that? We have to directly write. Okay na, minus 5 by 6. So we like that directly. Secant inverse of minus 2 by 3. Secant inverse of minus 2 by 3. What is the formula? Pi minus secant inverse of 2 by root 3. Pi minus secant inverse of 2 by root 3. So secant inverse of 2 by root 3 means, if you don't know the value means cos tara nodkoli. Cos root 3 by 12 barte again 30 degrees cos. So here secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is also 30 degrees. So therefore pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 is equals to what? 6 into pi 6 by 6 pi minus 5. 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. So which is the option, right? C. Itara fast tag. So if we know the values well, values ಅನ್ನೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ efficiency ಅನ್ನೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So first you have to learn the values. Okay, next we will move to the next question. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Again cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos values ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 60. So therefore 60 we write. 60 andre pi by 3. So B is the right option. So like that you have to decide in your brain itself. Okay na, brain ಒಳಗೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay na, let's see next question. See my dear student, let's see next question. Question number 4. So cosecant inverse of minus 2 by root 3. Okay, cosecant inverse of minus 2 by 3 also write minus cosecant inverse of 2 by root 3. Okay, cosecant inverse of 2 by root 3. So if you have a doubt means cosecant 2 by root 3 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Cosecant, what is the reciprocal for cosecant? Sin, no. Sin root 3 by 2 is what? First you have to identify. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So sin root 3 by 2 60 degrees ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. root 3 by 2 60 degrees. Sin 60. So therefore cosecant 2 by root 3 also 60 degrees. Understood not? 60 degrees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So minus 60 means what? Pi by 3. So pi by 3 is the answer. Minus pi by 3 is the answer. So option A is the right option. Okay, like that you have to choose. Next we will move to the cot inverse. Cot inverse 1, very easy question. Cot inverse 1, very easy question. What is the answer? Cot inverse 1 is equals to cot inverse 1 pi by 4. No, tan inverse 1, cot inverse 1, familiar questions. So therefore B is the right option. Pi by 4 is the right option. Next we will move to the sixth question. Cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2. So what is the formula for cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2 means, so one formula is there. So pi minus cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Pi minus cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 cos ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Where you can get cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is what? Pi is equals to cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is equals to what? Root 3 by 2. So therefore 30 degrees. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is equals to 30 degrees. 30 degrees is what? Pi by 6. So therefore 6 into pi 6 pi minus 5 5 pi by 6 5 pi by 6. So option A is the right option. Okay na? So my dear students, like that we have to decide the answer. Okay, we have some formulas. I will tell you once again. These are synapses for these things. First you have to know the values. What are the values means? Sin, cos, tan, okay, sin reciprocal, secant, okay, cot. So if you take the values 0, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, okay, 45 degrees, okay, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Understood or not? So this is the thing. First you have to know these concepts well, fastly, if you want to do the problems well. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, okay, sin 60, root 3 by 2, so sin 91, okay na? So how to remember this? This means already told in first PUC, okay, ulta is 1, sin 0, root 3 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 by 2 so 1 by root 2 is same. Okay, cos value, these are the cos values. Next tan means what? Tan 0, 0, 1 by root 3, tan 30, so tan 45 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, tan root 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು infinity undefined case. Okay na? If you know these three values well means you can easily do the problems. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಉಲ್ಟಾ. Understood or not? So tan students feeling some difficulty. Tan ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 0 1 by root 3, ಈ 1 45 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, root 3 60 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ. Understood or not? So you have to solve like this. These are some basic these things. Mind will fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, you have to fix in mind. Okay. Next we will move to the next concept. So reciprocal. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. Sin ulta barte, undefined barte, 1 by 0 undefined, 1 by 2 ulta barte, 2 by 2 barte, 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1, root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, 1 barte, 1 by 1, 1. Okay na? So this is the thing. So ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Okay. And next basic idea is so means you have to know some formulas. What are the formulas? First one, okay, sin inverse of minus x. Sin inverse of minus x is equals to what? Minus sin inverse x minus x. Okay na? Cos inverse of second one, cos inverse of sin, it's reciprocal cosecant. If you take cosecant inverse of minus x is equals to what? Minus cosecant inverse x. Cosecant is over. Next cot inverse of sin inverse of minus x, cosecant inverse of minus x. See next tan inverse of minus x is equals to minus tan inverse x. So these are the formulas. What are sin, cosecant and tan. And remaining some other formulas are there. If you take cos inverse of minus x is equals to what? So you should not write minus cos inverse x. So pi minus cos inverse x. Okay. And say it's reciprocal secant inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus secant inverse x. Third, secant cos secant is over. Next we move to the cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Pi minus cot inverse x. These are basic ideas for this class. Okay, values and these are things. So these are one category, these three are one category. Okay, if sin, cosecant, tan means minus you can make directly minus common. Okay, but here cos, secant and cot I have to write pi minus. Okay na, go through this one first. Okay, first kaltkobeku, later on you can discuss. Okay, see my dear students, we'll see some other questions. Question number 7. Okay, already discussed about the synapses. See here, cosecant inverse 2. If you don't know cosecant inverse, it is the reciprocal of sine now. Sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 is 30 degrees. 30 degrees now. Sine inverse of 1 by 2, 30 degrees. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 now. So another formula is there. What is that formula means? Cosecant inverse x is equals to, we can write sine inverse of 1 by 2. Very good. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 very good. Okay, now this is the formula. Understood or not? So cosecant inverse 2 is equals to sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 fast you can recover the answer. 1 by 2 30 degrees 30 degrees. 30 degrees means some students feeling difficulty. 30 na hinge 60 hinge. 30 bandre pi by 6. 30 means pi by 6. 60 means pi by 3. Ulta ujipkoli. 3 bandre 6 barte, 6 bandre 3 barte. Technique, brain ge you have to give work, means it will be fastly moving. Okay, you will be here only, your brain should move. Okay, 30 degrees pi by 6. So therefore here sine 1 by 2, this is sine 1 by 2. Sine 1 by 2 means 30 degrees. 30 degrees means pi by 6. So 30 degrees equals to pi by 6. So option A is the right option. Like that only. Okay, fastly you have to recover the answer. Next, we'll move to the secant. Next question. Question number 8. Secant inverse 2 is equals to what? So another formula is there. What is that formula? Secant inverse x is equals to it's a reciprocal of cos now. So therefore you can write cos inverse of 1 by x. This is ulta cos. So secant inverse 2 you can be written as cos inverse of 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2. But cos. L barte cos 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 barte 60 degrees 60 means pi by 3. Like that you have to answer. So which option is the right one? B is the right option. Understood or not? Next, we will move to the ninth question. Tan inverse of root 3. Already told. 1 by root 3 bandu 30. 1 bandu 45. Root 3 60. So 60 degrees. 60 means what? 60 pi by 3. Okay. Maximum problems pi by 3, pi by 6 irutte. Confuse agtare student andu they are giving like that. So don't be confused. Okay. So tan inverse root 3 means 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3. So which option is the right one? B option. B pi by 3. Okay. Last question. Cot inverse of minus root 3. Okay. Cot inverse of minus root 3 already told in synapses. Cot inverse of minus root 3 is equals to what? Pi minus cot inverse root 3. No. Cot inverse root 3 no. Okay. Cot inverse root 3 gottilla ankolli. Tan inverse 1 by root 3. So tan inverse 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 elu barutte. So we will get 30 degrees. So pi minus 30 degrees. Pi by 6. 30 degrees. 6 into pi. 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by one second. 5 pi by 6 here. So here is this option 5 pi by 6. 5 minus pi by 6 into pi. 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6. Understood or not? So which option is the right one? 5 pi by 6 is the right options. Like that you have to simplify. So my dear students, I will give some homework also. You have to do in your home. Okay. See my dear students. So question number 11. Tan inverse minus 1. Do this one as a homework. Okay. Question number 12. Sin inverse of 1 by root 2. So pi by 4 is it. This is also do it as a homework. So we'll see the 13th question. Okay. So we can do how to do easily, I will tell you. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is equal to what? Pi by 4. You know answer. Okay na? So if you observe these two things, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. So no need to simplify. So pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 2. No need to write it again. Why? Because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2 formula is there. No, we can directly write. So CET means like that. You have to think which formula is there. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2 formula is there. No, you have to use that formula here. X both are same. You know the same there. Minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. Sin inverse x, cos inverse x. So therefore we can use pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This is the answer. Okay, add these two things. 4 is the answer. 4 is the LCM. 5 plus 2. So therefore what? 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is the answer. Understood? Okay, my dear students. Like that we have to simplify this also. This is the homework. Tan inverse minus root 3 minus tan inverse root 3. Secant inverse minus 2. Pi minus secant inverse 2. Minus cosecant inverse 2 by 3. So write all values, simplify it and write the answer. This is the homework for you. Okay, my dear students. Do it this one as a homework. Okay. And another question I will give you. Write down cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Okay. Plus 2 sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equals to. So write down the options. Pi by 3. Option A pi by 3. Option B 2 pi by 3. Option C 3 pi by 4. Option D 5 pi by 8. Okay. So have to do this one as a homework. Okay. So I have to do cos inverse x plus sin inverse x ಬರ್ತಾ CET cos inverse x plus sin inverse x another sin inverse ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. So these are some homework. Okay, have to do my dear students. Okay. So today onwards we will do the CET also. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.